Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. I'm at CTSR for the Canadian Challenge 2025 presented by Zombie North America. And the A3-MAIN USGT with the Express XQ11. I had to retire from A2. I had a car problem, ended up being a big bad body tuck. I've since fixed that. I have lowered the front, added some foam blocks, and cut this wheel arch a little bit better. So we will see if we can finally finish in a non-last position. 5 of 5 cars. So far I've gotten 5th. DNF, and then we go again. One last chance. Let's do it right now. USGT coming up next. All right, USGT A3-MAIN.
Yeah, Gordy's not coming.
Yeah, he's over there just smiling.
I don't need to.
My chassis might be a bit tweaked. I forgot to check for that, but it's getting around okay.
Starting order will be John Hardy, Rizal, John Kennedy, and Dean. Okay, marshal ready. Driver in the pit, John ready, Rizal ready. Less than 5. Rizal take the lead.
Car feels good. Oh my goodness, I'm up into 2 now.
Way to go. We have John followed by John Kennedy, Dean, and Rizal.
So don't let me go, just go. I'm just gonna sit.
We have John, Rizal, Dean, and John. 30 seconds left.
Sorry. Woo! I held it all.
Everybody's done.
What? For some reason it still shows that I finished in third, but I don't remember if it was all getting ahead of me again. No, mine might have lost a lap on the count because he didn't get ahead of me again.
That's what I thought.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I held second through the whole thing. After the crash. You never got ahead of me again after that crash, did you? No, they must have dropped a lap on me.
GT12 for the picture.
We were the same lap. We were. You were coming up on me. You never got ahead of me after the crash. Yeah. So it dropped a lap on me.
Why would it do that?
Sometimes it miscounts on the transponder.
Now they're going to take points from each of them.
Yeah, you're like, I don't think it would matter for a position. I'll tell them I might have lost a lap.
I'll go up.
Yeah, after, yeah. Alright guys, that was A3-MAIN. I'm pretty sure I held second throughout that race. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button. If you're new here, subscribe. You want to talk to me in the comment down below. As always, thanks for watching.